66 chevelle video, and the next thing you want to do is make sure your shoes are back and out of the way. And where we sprayed these bolts, you want to take a 3/8. Yours might be a different size, but this is a 67 chevelle. This one takes a 3/8, and you want to take these two bolts out. There's one here and here. So we'll take them out. These really shouldn't be that tight because I've redone these brakes before. And make sure these do not get lost. These bolts are hard to find, as well as these push rods. Can't buy them anymore. There's one. Here is the other one. A little bit hard to do with one hand. And what I like to do last is, because you can lose brake fluid, is I do the brake line last. And it's a good idea to get you a little brake line wrench. This one's O'Reilly's. This one's definitely not the greatest, but it works. This brake line is a 3/8. This is a good idea to do last, but that's because you lose less brake fluid. And another idea is to have your new wheel spinner laid out and ready to go. So we'll do that next in the next video. Thank you for watching.